PPE assessment. PPE assessment is a step following risk assessment of the chemical or chemical operation. After risk assessment and the consideration of necessary control measures, if the result reveals that PPE has to be used to control risk, the employer should conduct further assessment to ensure that suitable PPE is selected for that particular risk. PPE assessment should be made by a person who has appropriate understanding of the chemicals and the operation involved, as well as good knowledge of the safe practices and the PPE, including their uses and limitations. He should also know when he needs to call a specialist for expert advice. The assessment should include an assessment of any risk to health and safety that has not been eliminated or reduced by other means such as engineering control measures. The definition or determination of the characteristics that a PP must have in order to be effective for reducing the risk referred above, taking into account any risk that the equipment itself may create, and a comparison of the specifications of the PPE that the employer intends to provide with the characteristics referred above. In assessing the risk to health and safety, the above factors, the factors taken into consideration should include hazards of the chemicals or chemical operation, physical nature of the chemicals and the routes of entry into the human body, the environmental conditions, and the effectiveness of control measures in reducing the risk. Information useful for the PPE assessment includes legal requirements, information on the hazards of the chemical or chemical operation, example safety data sheets, the RSDS, relevant hygiene standards, performance characteristics of various PPE stated in relevant national and international standards, specifications of various PPEs from manufacturers, and data from monitoring of air impurities in the workplace environment. Review of the PPE assessment. The assessment should be reviewed and revised regularly, or if there is a reason to suspect that the assessment is no longer valid or there has been a significant change in the work to which the assessment relates. The assessment may be suspected to be no longer valid as revealed by, for example, new legislation, code of practice, or industry standards on PPE or on other safety measures. Advancement in technology such that better engineering control measures become reasonably practicable. The results of accident or incident rate analysis or health surveillance. New information on the risks of the chemical or chemical operation. Significant changes in the work includes changes in the chemicals used, including the physical form and sources of the chemicals, plant modification, including the equipment used in the safety measures, change in the method or work procedures, and change in the scale of operation.